Hello! I am very excited today because we have finally assembled our first prototype for our project with Venture Orbital Systems. I've been the project lead for the team that has been developing these pump solutions for their orbital rockets. And this prototype is going to be used for hydro testing later this year. Then we're going to do some more iterations before it's finally ready for static fire tests with the customer's rocket engine. It's incredible to finally be holding the physical parts in my hands after having been staring at them as simulations and 3D models for the last couple of months. So this is truly an exciting day. They're finally here. Another very exciting thing is that we are now overfunded on Seedrs. So if you want to join and help really revolutionizing the new space industry, you should click the link in this post.